你好, this is Litao Chinese. My name is Zheng Tao. I'm your Chinese teacher. Welcome to Ask Litao. In each video of this series, we are going to answer your questions about learning Chinese from comments or emails. Today's question is from a Tanzanian student. In the email, she wrote, Could you explain how to use the word 随便?谢谢. 随便 is commonly used in daily Chinese. In today's lesson, I'm going to introduce 3 common uses of 随便. First, 随便 can be used alone in the situation that you want other people to make the choice or decision, and you will be okay in any case. For example, your friend asks you about what to eat for dinner. 我们晚饭吃什么? 我们晚饭吃什么? You are not a picky eater. It makes no difference to you what food to eat. You want your friend to make the choice, and you will be okay with it. Then you can say 随便,随便. 随便 here means everything is okay for me, or I will be okay with any choices you make. Please notice that 随便 could be seen as quite rude when you say it in an impatient tone, like 随便,随便,随便. In this way, you think that it's a waste of time to ask you make a choice. You don't care whatever to eat, and other people will feel offended for sure. So you should be careful about your tone when you say it. To avoid misunderstanding and make yourself sound more polite, you can add something after 随便, such as 随便听你的, 随便听你的, 听你的, listen to you. The real meaning is you are the boss. You make the choice. I will be okay with it. You can also say 随便你决定, 随便你决定, 你决定, you decide. You make the decision. Or 随便我都可以, 随便我都可以. Everything is okay for me, or I will be okay in any case. Second, we can use the pattern 随便 plus verb to let people do what they like, especially when you want to show your hospitality, or you want people feel more relaxed. For example, you visit a Chinese friend's home, you will probably hear they say like 随便坐, 随便坐. It means sit where you like. Or 随便吃, 随便吃, eat whatever you like, or help yourself. They want you to make yourself at home. One more example. There are some new books on your desk, and your colleague next to you wants to see what books you just bought. Then you can tell him or her 随便看, 随便看. It means feel free to see or see whatever you like. 随便看. If we say 这个人很随便, 这个人很随便, here 随便 has the negative meaning. 随便 can be used to describe a person's behavior. It means this person often does whatever he or she likes and doesn't care about other people's feelings or any rules. We think this person is impolite. For example, go into other people's room without permission, or always late for work because of personal issues. If you go for a job interview, one important advice is 不要穿得太随便. 不要穿得太随便, which means don't dress too casually. Because there are still some dressing rules for a job interview, it's not proper to wear whatever you like, such as wearing slippers. That would be 太随便 in most workplaces. 随便 has a few other meanings. We'll learn them in our future lessons. Here is a question for you. A friend wants to know if it's okay to ask you some questions about your personal life, and you think it's no problem to ask any questions he or she wants to know. So, how do you say, ask whatever you like, or feel free to ask in Chinese? Please leave your answer in the comments. Well, that's all for today's Ask Litao. Feel free to leave your questions in comments or email us at service@litaochinese.com. If you want to learn Chinese in a systematic and efficient way, please visit our website, litaochinese.com, to get the full version courses and more learning support. See you next time. 再见。